Okay, hi everybody. It's a privilege for me to share with you the opportunity that Forever Living Products offers people. This is where ordinary people can achieve extraordinary results. Now, I'd like to share with you through this business presentation a little bit about the history of Forever and how it can change your life by taking this opportunity and really working hard with it. The Forever story. Forever Living Products is an international company. It is vertically integrated and debt-free. We have an experienced and long-standing management team. We're operating in over 160 countries with over 43 years of uninterrupted growth. We're doing business in the health and wellness sector, a multi-trillion-dollar global market. Why aloe? Aloe has tremendous benefits for your health internally and externally. Internally, aloe supports a digestive health, promotes a healthier immune system, support nutrients absorption and boost natural energy levels. Externally, aloe moisturizes, conditions and soothes the skin. What Forever does differently: we are the world's largest grower and manufacturer of aloe and aloe vera based products. Our aloe is hand harvested, hand filleted to extract the inner leaf gel. We have a patented stabilization process and an aseptic manufacturing process. We produce quality products that are natural, naturally derived and scientifically advanced. We also have a scientific advisory board of highly qualified professionals. Our products are certified by the International Aloe Science Council for potency and purity. On the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see the International Aloe Science Council seal of approval, which you'll find on all of our products. We have a kosher rating. We do not test our products on animals, and we have a halal certification as well. But most importantly, we are members of the Direct Selling Association, which is very important in network marketing today. This is Greg Morn, the president of Forever Living Products. This is just a picture of Trevata Manor House, which is our headquarters for Southern Africa. It's a heritage home which dates back over 124 years. Forever Living Products Southern Africa. We're housed in Trevata Manor House, which is owned by the company and debt-free. Eve and I are the country managers that look after South Africa, Namibia, Swaziland, Lesotho, Botswana, Mozambique and Zimbabwe. The global success of Forever is a combined power of a network of home-based business owners, supplying products directly to the consumer, showing the potential of the business opportunity. Now, what are the benefits of team marketing? Well, it's an uncapped and willable income. You can leave this business to your family and it can stay in your family forever. You decide your goals and the system helps you to achieve them. You can do this business on a part-time or full-time basis to fit around your commitments. Full training and support using the simple, proven global business building system. Some of the extras that team marketing offers: Forever to Drive, which is a car plan, global travel, global business building opportunity, chairman's bonus, recognition, and prizes and fun. Well, what do? Number one, we use the products. We become our own best customers. Number two, we share the products. Talk to people about the benefits and your experience of using the products. Develop 20 to 30 regular customers. Point number three is build a team. Talk to people about the opportunity. Find your 5 key people. Work the simple business cycle. Now, 5 key people might just be a start, but it doesn't matter how many people you invite into your business. Point number 4, coach your team. Coach your team to develop 20 to 30 customers, just as you did, and to find their 5 key people. Follow the simple cycle. Contact people, show them the business, bring them to a business presentation like you've seen this evening, register them if they're keen on the business, planning and action, sit down with them and plan how they're going to achieve the goals that they've set for themselves. Work with them closely until they become managers. But in the center, what is the why? Why have you invited the people to view this opportunity? I believe there are many different reasons why people have got goals today. It might be to change of a lifestyle, travel, self-development, financial freedom, pension or a new car. People have got many different goals that they'd like to achieve, but we believe that they should build a passion for those goals and help them to achieve those goals. Once they've achieved the goal, they'll move on to greater goals in their life. What are the areas of income? Well, the areas of income in Forever are retailing, team building, and business development. Building a successful business, Forever global currency is called case credits. Case credits, or CCs, is a global point system allocated to each product. We like to achieve 4 case credits every month. How would we do that? Well, we'd use the products, we'd retail the products, and we'd also recruit people into our business opportunity. Okay, let's have a look at the case credits allocated to some of the products. As an example, the aloe vera gel is 0.102 case credits. The aloe vera jelly, which is a topical lotion, is 0.060 case credits. The Touch of Forever is a combination of 30 different products, and the case credit value for that combo pack is 2 case credits. Then we have Start Your Journey combo, which is 2 case credits as well, and it is the best way to get into the business. It's highly discounted as well for people that are starting a business. Retailing for Profit, the success formula. This is based on the level of assistant supervisor, which is the first entry into our marketing plan. If you buy from the company 1 bottle of aloe vera gel, which is our fastest moving product, and you retail it to your customer, you'll receive R139.65 profit per bottle. Sell 2 bottles in a day, you'd receive R279.30 profit in a day. Now, we've looked at it and we found that a person that is employed in a part-time basis can do 2 sales a day. Working for 5 days a week, selling 2 products a day, you'd earn yourself R1,396.50 in that week. And if you work 4 weeks in a month, selling 2 products a day, you'd earn yourself R5,586 profit in the month. Now, the second part of our business is recruiting people into your team. If they buy, for argument's sake, the Touch of Forever combo pack that has 30 different products, you would receive a 25 preferred customer profit of R1,923.60. Plus, if you've achieved your 4 case credits, you'd receive a 5% boost bonus of R1,194. Now, add all of these incomes together will give you R8,703.60 for the month. What is very important are the figures that are coming up now, your case credits. Well, just by your retailing, you've already achieved 4.08 case credits by retailing your aloe vera gels, and recruiting a new person with a Touch of Forever combo pack, which is valued at 2 case credits, you've achieved 6.08 case credits. If you can do this every month and teach your team to do this, you'll have a very, very good and profitable business. Marketing plan. Where do you want to be in a marketing plan? I know for myself, I'd like to be the manager, because a manager receives the highest discount. But we start off as preferred customers. A preferred customer, once signing up, would receive a 5% discount on the retail price of all personal purchases. To become an assistant supervisor, you'd have to achieve 2 case credits over 2 consecutive months, or you can purchase the Start Your Journey combo pack, which will give you your 2 case credits initially. To become a supervisor, each level in the marketing plan, you'd receive a new PIN. As a supervisor, you'd now be buying at a 38% discount on all your purchases once you've achieved 25 case credits, not only by yourself, but by your team including. To get to assistant manager, you'd receive a new PIN, and now as assistant manager, you'd receive a 43% discount on all your purchases. And to achieve assistant manager, you'd have to have done 75 case credits over 2 consecutive months by you and your team. To achieve manager, well, there's 2 ways you can achieve manager level. You can do 120 case credits over 2 consecutive months, or 150 case credits over 4 months, which means that you have to do with your team 38 case credits a month for 4 months. Then you'd achieve a 48% discount on all your personal purchases. Now, everybody strives to become a manager because that's really the pin that everybody wants to wear. But I would like you to achieve the next level, which the next level I believe is Eagle Manager. There are a great many benefits of achieving Eagle Manager, and I'll share with you those a little bit later. In 2020, the typical annual income earned worldwide by an FBO is R20,208 to R286,656. Now that can be verified on our website. As an assistant supervisor, Calculations are based on being 4 case credit active. You've achieved your 2 case credits over 2 consecutive months, or you've purchased your Start Your Journey combo pack, which is equivalent to 2 case credits, and then you become an assistant supervisor. As I said before, the Start Your Journey combo pack is very highly discounted, and then you'll be buying at 30% discount. Always remember, if you achieve your 4 case credits as an assistant supervisor, you would also get a 5% boost bonus at the end of the month. Supervisor, the next level. Calculations are based again on being 4 case credit active. You and your team have achieved 25 case credits over 2 consecutive months. Typically you'll have 3 to 5 in your team. Your income should be in the region of about 9,788 Rand, which is your profit and bonus income, which now I'd just like to point out is not a salary, it's a bonus, and it's determined by the performance of you and your team. It can be higher and it can be less. Now, as a supervisor, you would earn 38% discount and you'd receive a 3% bonus on all your assistant supervisors' purchases. As an assistant manager, calculations again are based on 4 case credit active. You and your team would have to achieve 75 case credits or more over 2 consecutive months. Typically with about 10 to 15 in your team, this is achievable. Your income then should be around 16,007 Rand, which includes your profit and your bonus. Now, once you become an assistant manager, of course, you'd be purchasing at 43% discount. You'd still be receiving 8% from all your assistant supervisors, and from your supervisors, you'd receive 5% bonus at the end of the month. At manager level, you'd achieve this by doing 120 case credits by you and your team over 2 consecutive months, or 150 case credits by you and your team over 4 consecutive months, which is 38 case credits per month for 4 months. Typically, this will be achievable by having 15 to 25 people in your team. Your income then should be around 39,114 Rand. Now remember again, this is not a salary. It's a bonus based on performance of not only yourself but your team. Now, as manager, you'd receive a 48% discount on all your personal purchases. From all your assistant supervisors in your team, you'd receive a 13% bonus from the company at the end of the month. And all your supervisors, you'd receive a 10% bonus on all their purchases. And an assistant manager team, you'd receive a 5% bonus on all their purchases as well. Now, what are the extras? The extras are the things that really excite me. Well, first of all, the one that I really think that everybody should strive to achieve is Forever to Drive, where you can earn up to 460,800 over 3 years to buy a car of your choice. These are some of the cars that our Forever business owners have purchased, and they change their cars very often. Now, you have the keys to the car that you want in your hands. All you have to do is to achieve Forever to Drive, and you'll have that car. Forever to Drive, earn an additional 6,400 to 12,800 per month. I'll explain how this works very briefly. Once you've achieved level 1 by you and your team achieving 50 case credits in month number one, month number 2, 100 case credits, and month number 3, 150 case credits, you'll receive 6,400 Rand per month, which totals up to 230,400 over the 36 months. Now, this is to buy a car, pay off your house, or educate your children in a private school or university. To get to level number 2, you and your team would achieve 75 case credits month number 1, number 2, 150 case credits, month number 3, 225 case credits, where now you'll receive an income of 9,600 per month extra, and the total will be 345,600 over the 36 months. Now, there again, you can buy a bigger house, educate your children, whatever you want to do with that extra income. The top level is level number 3, where you and your team achieve 100 case credits in a month. The next month, number 2, 200 case credits. Month number 3, 300 case credits. Your income now, the extra income will be 12,800 Rand a month, which will amount to 460,800 over the 3 years. Now, I'd just like to explain to you very briefly another part that excites me. If you're on level 1, month number 3 at 150, you're also on level 2 at month number 2 at 150 cases. So in the 4th month, if you can get your team and yourself to achieve 225 case credits, automatically it will change from 6,400 per month to 9,600. So you don't have to wait for the 36 months to expire to get to the next level. To get to level number 3, in month number 3, in level 2, you're at 225, which is month number 2 on level 3. The very next month, if you go to 300 cases by you and your team, well, then you'll earn 12,800 per month, and it'll change automatic from the 9.6 to the 12.8. But what is really interesting, that after 36 months, if your team is still achieving those different levels in case credits, it automatically extends for a further 36 months. And that's the reason why it's called Forever to Drive. It's a great extra that you can earn and drive the car of your choice and live in the house that you really want to. Global travel. We have international travel, which we visit an exotic location, different location each year. The qualification period is the 1st of January to the 31st of December, where you can accumulate 1,500 cases by you and your team. Now this is a great extra to earn, where you can take one of your family with you, providing they're over 14 years old, and the company will pay for your air tickets, your hotel expenses, and you'll also receive spending money. Now we're going to talk about the second trip, Eagle Manager Retreat. But I want to stress something about Eagle Manager. It's not so much about the trip, it's about building a solid business for yourself. A business that will increase your income dramatically. I've seen that many of the people that have become Eagle Managers earn 2 to 3 times more than an average manager. So really focus on the income that you can derive from becoming an Eagle Manager, and really work hard to do that. And you'll be rewarded with the Eagle Manager Retreat, which is also at a different exotic location each year. The qualification period for this Eagle Manager Retreat is from the 1st of May to the 30th of April. You can speak to your mentor and he'll explain exactly how you can achieve Eagle Manager, but don't forget the income. Now with our business, we're in the right marketplace, where weight management is a $586 billion global business. Vitamins and supplements is a $194 billion global dollar business, where sports nutrition is a $28 billion global dollar business. Skincare is a $315 billion global dollar business. Men's grooming is a $20 billion global business. Industry sales worth over $4 trillion globally, a business of the 21st century. Now what I'd like you to do is also read the book by Robert Kiyosaki, which talks about the business of the 21st century. And this is what he's talking about, is network marketing. Now will it work for me? Well, if you take it seriously, in any new venture, time and effort is required. Be coachable and attend all relevant training meetings. Commit the time required to become successful. If you're self-motivated and willing to work closely with your person who introduced you into the business. Be willing to think big, dream big, and set goals for yourself and your family. Commit to having regular customers, building your team, and developing 5 key people. Be prepared to tell everyone what you're doing. Don't be a secret agent. Have a great attitude. From what you've seen so far, if you say, yes, I'd like to get into the business, then get registered with your mentor and book a business planning session with your mentor. If you say no, just use the products and see how these products can help you. If you say, maybe we haven't answered all the questions that you'd have, and then you can speak to your mentor about those questions, and they will be able to answer any of the questions that you may have. I'd like to thank you for coming to this presentation today, and I hope if you work closely with your mentor, you will achieve greatness in this business. Always remember to set your goals that will stretch you. Have a passion for what you want in life. And most of all, don't slack off on building your business and creating greatness. I know you can do it. Many have achieved it, and why not you? Thank you very much for coming this evening, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.